Hey guys, so I want to kind of explain to you how I view the parts of ourselves that are connected and that are involved in the law of attraction, but also how they relate to the tarot cards, okay? So, in the tarot suits specifically. So, we all know you have like mind, body, emotions. We have mind, body, spirit. Some people say it differently. For me, it's mind, emotions, body, spirit. It is mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual. Okay, and again, these are not just different parts of the self that we call you. You know what I mean? Because like there's even more than that. There's mental, emotional, physical, spiritual. There's social. There's financial. There's environmental, like your feng shui, basically. And so all of these things make up our health. And that's why I really recommend having a holistic approach to life, to healing, to everything. And I find that this just works best for me to try to take care of every little part. It keeps me going. It always gives me something else to do, something to look forward to, something else to focus on. And it's kind of a game to almost see how well you can balance everything out in your life. And so the parts that we're talking about here, the thoughts, the emotions, the actions, and then with the spiritual realm, for me, it's a little bit different when I think of it this way, because I'm talking about the law of attraction. So in this meaning, spiritual means that side of us that is unseen, that side of us that is, is not described with thoughts, actions, words, etc. It's more it's more supernatural. It's more your intuition. Your I don't want to say it's what you get. It's your karma, but it's your relationship with the universe, basically. And it does have to do with what you manifest, what you make of everything. How you perceive everything is how it is. That's your reality. So this is really important to remember this. And it's team. Together everyone achieves more. Well, thoughts, emotions, actions, manifestations. Okay. So again, your thoughts are your mind, your mental. These are your notations of things, just how you process things, what you hear, what you say to yourself, what you repeat over and over to yourself. Obviously, your thoughts are very closely linked with your emotions in creating the law of attraction. And most people, they do the law of attraction, they're just thinking, okay, this is thoughts. We're going to visualize something. We're going to take time out of our day, think about something, put a little bit of emotion into it, bada bing, bada boom. But there's this whole other piece to follow through with your actions. So it's thoughts, emotions, and your actions. And it's not just, okay, A plus B plus C either, okay? Because some days you're going to be more emotional. Some days you're going to be more in your mind. Some days you're going to be more about the action. What can I physically do, to get what I want, to better my position, whatever, okay? But it's how you do this, not only one day, not only this week, but every day of your life. This is, again, it's a game. Don't ever think of it as a chore that you have to keep up with it. This is a game that you get. It makes life fun. You get to play. Again, how much more of yourself, of your mind, body, social, financial, spiritual, emotional, like all of this stuff, like how much more in control of all of these things can you be? And it's not even about necessarily control. It's just about the pure law, cause and effect, because we attract what we think about, what we feel, especially amplifies it. So, and then when you follow through with the action, it's just another form of energy showing the universe what you want, showing the universe, do you really believe what you want? If you're trying to manifest your partner, if you're trying to manifest a job, are you ready for that today? Get ready. If you're going to manifest it, if you're going to spend any time doing the thoughts and the visualizations and getting your emotions right about it, you got to do the follow through. That's just like, it's the whole piece. It's all of it. This is a holistic law of attraction. Okay? So it's your thoughts, your emotions, then your actions put together that really kind of equal your manifestations. And again, it's not about, actions on one day, 1 week. This is habits. 21 days or more. This is what you are doing with your life. What your focus is leading you to actually do. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of bring that up and put that out there. The thing about it is the swords are obviously your mental and tarot. The cups are your emotions. The wands are the actions. And the pentacles are kind of everything coming together to be what you're getting. The manifestation. It's not just money. Okay? This is how the chips fall, how everything comes out in the wash. This is what you get. It is results. It is karma. If you are doing good things, you're going to be manifesting positive things, and the vast majority of the time we're able to do this. Yes, some things happen, if we're not doing this right, then we're going to bump up into more problems because we're going to have to be kind of smacked back into, paying attention to things and learning lessons. And if we get too far off, the universe will show us, everything is a sign. So this was just a little bit of an intro, again, that I kind of wanted to share with you. And some people do it differently. Some people say that, why wands are more physical, it also can be more emotional. So there are kind of different ways of looking at it. But again, it's holistic. So it is kind of actually hard to break it down anyway. Whether your emotions are within the cups or the wands, it's going to be both, because wands are about passion. They're kind of a little bit different, but so like I said, thoughts when you're getting tarot cards about swords, it's more, your thought side. And then the cups is more emotional. For me, the wands is more, what are we doing? What is our passion? What is our burning desire to get up and actually do today? And all of it is so important. Like I said, it's just, we can't go through and think of the law of attraction as just this mental thing, this mental exercise that we're sitting down visualizing the card. It's way beyond that. You have to do the follow through. So that's what we're going to jump into kind of a lot in this whole video series. So if you're not actually watching this video within the video series, then definitely check out my program. I've got it on website KlaireeBerry.com. I've got it all over in the links of videos. So just look around and check it out, and let's all do this work together and just get better and better and better at manifesting our exact lives, like what we're meant to be doing, being on purpose, doing the right thing, and having everything that we really, really, truly, that our hearts really, truly desire.